reckon if it was me, yeah, look at that, that's white. I would have graded it grey, you know, to just bring out the brickwork, then it would have matched your floor. But like Scott said, it's too late now, love. Yeah, Dave's painted the ceilings. He's done all the woodwork. So yeah, it's looking fresh. Done the window ledge. Door linings. Yeah, he's done all the woodwork. He's done that ceiling. He's done all that ceiling. Done all the woodwork. Makes a big difference. Yeah, so cooking on gas. Oh yeah, look, he's done all your bonding, your filling. Yeah, man. So, oh, listen. This is what I'm saying. Dave ain't playing no games. He's done that ceiling. Done that ceiling. Done the ceiling. Oh, I can't even see in the bathroom. Oh, it's dark. Where's the ghost? No, I haven't done that one. Yeah, but he's getting there. Done alright. Done a bit. Got one door in, struggling. Just managed to get them in. Now look at that.
Place looks a lot nicer. It's looking more like a flat, a livable space. Get excited. Doors are going on finally. Whole debacle with the doors. Basically got the wrong size doors. I got metric size doors instead of imperial doors. So that is something I will go over in one of the next videos. When this is all done, I'll go over the good and the bad of what's been done. But yeah, so far we are getting there. Everything's all coming together in the next couple of days. As you can see, the kitchen's in, looking lovely. Just got to finish, the decorator's got to come back and just sort out the walls behind, and that will be done. He's done the base for it anyway, so I am really happy. It is coming together. It's looking more like a livable space now. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be done in the next couple of days. Tell you what, everyone's going to be under each other's feet because people have had delays. So someone said, oh, I need to come tomorrow because of this, I've got to come tomorrow because of that. But I can't move. That deadline is fixed on the 28th, so can't move it anymore. So everyone's going to have to work around each other. Not ideal, but you've got to adapt, haven't you, in these situations. So yeah, I'll say one thing though, I'm really happy with the tiles and the finish in this bathroom. I know that this is going to look lovely once it's all done. Yeah, really loving these tiles. These tiles were a lovely, lovely purchase from Top Tiles. They were half price. Or so they say they were half price, they're half price. You never know these promotions nowadays, but yeah, I'm loving that. So in here, we've just got to sort out the boxing in here for these pipes. Obviously the bath panel's going on today. I just need to get some timbers just so that they can frame that out. And then I want to get this splashback panel put on here. We've had to adjust this, so this top lid here, so that can come out, because obviously once we tile, you're going to have a couple of mil there and it will just stop that from coming out, because this lid's got dials on underneath to fix it in place, and it catches on this. So with the tiles on as well, it's just going to be an extra thing for it not to come out. So what we're going to have to do is amend the dials that come out of here to fix this into place, amend those so that this can be slid out easily for maintenance purposes, and you can get to it and we can still tile and have some sort of splashback tile going across the top. So yeah, everything's coming together. We've got the extra skirting just going on that side, and from the back across to put in all the door handles here to go on the doors. Bath panel is here, ready and checked, ready to go in there, and the rest of the doors to put on. Obviously we've got 2 fire doors, one for this room here from the lounge, an open plan kitchen diner to go through, and then we've got a fire door also on the bedroom door. So I just need to get some heavy duty hinges for the joiners for that. And I'm so happy with these windows. I tell you, all it needs now is I just need to get, I think the decorator's coming back to re-seal them and get rid of this yellow seal, because that's the one thing that couldn't come off. And underneath here, these bits above the vents couldn't come off either. But other than that, it's looking white. It's looking really nice. So I'm really happy. Guys, so loads of changes since last time. Obviously kitchen's in now, just got a few last little bits of decor to do. I'll come back and film tomorrow just to show you that. So a couple of patches here that we're gonna fill in. Decorator's coming to do that. Another coat on the ceiling, but other than that, brand new kitchen's in, so I'm really happy with this. Love it. Can't wait for these bits to be filled in, because then it will look, you'll see the full effect after that once that's all nice and done. Brand new boiler. I'm a bit upset because I did buy a boiler housing for this, and the idea was I wanted to flip it the other side and put it against that wall and then pop the boiler housing on, but unfortunately we couldn't do that. This boiler had to go flush against the wall for the easiest install, so therefore there's nothing to fix the cupboard too. And also this wall here, from here to there, is 575 I believe, so obviously short of the 600mm needed for the boiler housing. But other than that, it's a brand new boiler. We've had this bit all boxed in, all the pipes are all boxed in, everything's in there, the meter's in there as well. But other than that, it's looking quite nice. Love the tap. That's the flooring I'm so happy with. As I said, just a few more bits and pieces and then we'll pop the spotlights back and I'll give you another proper tour of everything. Windows come up lovely, so yeah, really happy.